Hi guys, it's Fiona from Currys, and today we're going to look at 3 of the top features of this Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra laptop. It's super powerful with loads of high-end hardware, it links seamlessly with other devices, and it's built on the premium Intel Evo platform. I'm going to head to the lab now and have a look at it in a bit more detail. Everything about this laptop is premium and professional, and for its size, it is really thin too. It's got enough power to get you through the heaviest workloads without even breaking a sweat, which will make it great for work and editing. It has everything you need to manage multiple projects at the same time. The Intel Evo 13th Gen Core i9 processor makes sure everything runs smoothly and quickly, so you can create and get things done without ever being slowed down. I've got multiple programs open here and I can switch between them seamlessly. As you see, if I go from this one, I can then move on to this one. There's absolutely no lag at all. They switch between each other really easily. No matter how hectic it gets, it stays responsive, and you can be running multiple heavy-duty programs or have lots of windows and tabs open and still work at your best. You can extend your setup by getting other devices involved. Intel Unison really comes in handy when you want to work across multiple devices without actually having to go between them. You can receive calls on your laptop as well as notifications. I've got my phone connected, so I'm going to take a selfie now. Smile. And it will appear on here, and then I can use the laptop to edit it. The Intel Evo 13th Gen processor extends beyond performance to let your PC do more at once. It has fast charging and a long battery life, and it seamlessly ensures the best available connection, all whilst being sleek and lightweight. And when you see this sticker, you know that you've got a premium laptop and you're getting the best overall laptop experience. If you'd like more info on this Samsung laptop, then visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.